is one thing you would say the public often misunderstands about what we do as criminal defense attorneys?
You know what's funny is I don't think people appreciate the difference in a police officer who's been subject to cross examination. And there's a lot of judicial opinions that cross examination is the greatest engine for the truth. And I think it's also the greatest engine for accountability because you can literally tell a police officer who has been subject to cross examination and those that haven't, and their investigation kind of style and their habits are just a lot better after they've experienced that because we as criminal practitioners in the adversarial system really hold the police to task and make sure that they're doing their job. And I think the general public really needs to understand and appreciate that we're like a vital cog in our nation's criminal justice system. And we really make sure that the police are doing their job every day as citizens. That's very important, something that no one should take for granted.
That's a great example. I never even thought about it like that, but we do. We make sure they do their job following proper protocol. It's no different than if any of us were to go to a doctor. Who's there to hold the doctor accountable? Somebody, some board, some agency. And in a criminal trial, it's the criminal defense attorney who's there to hold the police accountable to make sure they essentially don't do anything wrong, don't cause any unnecessary harm, right?
And I think it's funny because everyone, doesn't think about a criminal defense attorney or how important it is until they need one. And once they do, it's very important. And that's what we do is we make sure that people's rights are protected and that the police are doing their job. And it's very important.
So let's talk about this New Jersey case.